Good morning everybody, my name's John, welcome to our channel. I wanted to revisit the melting wheel hub. It was on this side, you can see. The reason that I want to revisit it is I'm going to be trying to use washers just after the pin. No, just before the pin. Well, depend on where you stand on that one. But let's have a look. Now, washer size is very important. The reason being that if you see on this one, when I put the larger washer on, while it does fit very well, it unfortunately also will be touching the plastic, therefore causing friction. So whatever washer you choose to use, it has to be the same size or slightly smaller than the actual wheel bearing. So I only had these ones and I actually had to drill a little bit out to make them all fit. And I used, whoops, one of these to do that because it actually fit quite well. And they're quite heavy. So the theory is to pull this all the way out, and as you can see that the pin, the hole for the pin is quite far out in fact. Put the washer there. Very nice. Get the pin. Like so. And that is what it should look like. Because then you get you put that over, make sure it's fitting, which it is. Put the wheel back on. I'm using these washers to put there before I put the nut on. No, I'm going to use the bigger nuts, the original nuts at the back, because these ones actually are still holding. In theory now, you should be able to tighten this up quite a lot because you've now got that washer there. But that feels quite tight, so I'm not going to tighten it up as much. That's nice. Okay. I will do the same for all of the others, but I'll obviously fast forward through this because you've just seen me do it once. You can see on this, it's been rubbing again. Which I think is just a direct result of what happened the last time. So I'll give this a quick fix. Beautiful. Done. So 4 washers. Let's see how we get on. Let's take it up to the roof and give it a quick run. See you in a moment. Hello everybody, just a quick update. I've taken the washers off all of the wheels because they were slightly too big and they weren't sitting centre, so of course it was causing some vibration. Also, while I'm here, my front differential is now completely shot, so the front wheels aren't running as they should, but the back wheels, I've just done the slow motion and it's running really well. If any of you have actually updated your, fixed your differentials with grease, have you noticed how much quieter it is? Okay, if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you'd like to subscribe, do so as well. And obviously hit that notification bell for future video alerts. Have a great day today, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.